wish to do a vlog with someone. We will celebrate him today. We just want to congratulate him because he's a very big part of this festival for me. It's a beautiful happening, especially with regards to our film, because we both play lawyers, but he's the one. He's the real lawyer. Try nating kontakin.
Hello?
Attorney Nico.
Nag-extra ako. Nag-talent talaga. Nag-enjoy ako. May day job ako. At that time, I've had my share of rejections.
You only have to choose one. As an actor or as a lawyer?
Help us, not only me, but everyone who took the bar.
Nakakatawa yung, bakit po kayo natawag? Sabi ko, nagre-real time vlog ako. Dying time!
Yeah.
Hindi naman ako importante.
Bakit ako hindi important kayo host?
Hindi. I mean, mas maganda yung mas nakikita ka.
Hello guys. Hello. Sorry, hindi ako talaga sanay
Oh
sa
my
mga
God!
vlog-vlog.
Si Attorney Willie!
Hi, hello,
Yes! Available light lang kami ngayon kasi wala ako nalang ilaw. But I'm trying to capture the moment where we are, feeling it.
Hello,
Ayan.
parang wala yung totoong Indian.
Madilim, no? Pero ayan yung building. Nandito kami sa Dubai ng mga matataas na building. So, madilim ako pero kunyari silhouette na lang. Sa kasama ko si Nico Antonio. Yay! Attorney
Hello.
Nico Antonio.
Hello po, thank you for having me, Miss Uge.
So, I'm really just taking advantage of this moment kasi feel natin nag-graduate ka. Hindi ka na lang basta nagro-roleplay ng attorney.
Hindi
But
lang.
now, you really are an attorney.
Yes.
How does it feel to have that title, attorney? Hindi ka pa sanay.
Masaya ho. Masaya.
Talaga?
Masaya siya kasi this is an anecdote of mine way before. Sabi ko, gusto ko lang maging attorney kasi gusto kong malagay yung ATTY sa lapid ako pag namatay ako. Ganun joke, ganun ka morbid yung joke. Pero hindi, since it really happened to me now, it feels surreal. The first time it hit me, hindi ako makapaniwala. Siyempre, lahat naman lang makarinig na pumasa ka sa bar. Ha? Totoo? Hindi talaga makapaniwala. So, yun yung naramdaman ko. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Tapos, nung mom ko tumawag, sabi ko sa kanya, Ma, wag dito kasi nasa public ako, nakakaya. Baka nakita, umiiyak ako. Baka sabihin, baliw ako, umiiyak.
Oo. Balikan natin yung nung bata ka, tapos
Oo.
exposed ka sa yung mom mo, which is
Opo.
Attorney Georgie. Nung pinanganak ka, attorney na siya, di ba? Kasi nabasa ko na she finished her exams
In 1983.
in 1983.
But that was during college.
Okay.
So, nung pinanganak ako, pa-law school pa lang ho siya sa UP Diliman.
Okay.
Yes.
So, nung nagkamalay ka, attorney
Opo.
na siya.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
So, safe to say na bata pa lang kayo,
Opo.
magkakapatid,
Mm.
aware na kayo dun sa law, pinag-aaralan to.
Opo.
Okay. So, were you influenced by that? Or na-pressure ka lang na maglo-lawyer na rin ako? Kasi lawyer naman talaga lahat yung nasa paligid.
Wala. Hindi ganong klaseng parent yung mom ko na maging abogado ka. Mas ano siya, kung anong gusto mo, I will support you.
Okay.
Ganon po siyang type of parent. So, when I decided to take up law, nagulat siya.
Aha.
Kasi wala sa personality ko. Sabi ko, ikaw, bahala ka. Ganon siya. Personality ko, I don't like reading books. Hindi ako very visual ako. I like watching movies,
Okay.
watching TV shows.
Okay.
But I don't like reading books. It bores me.
Okay.
But when I went to law school, yung law books, na-entice niya ako magbasa ng libro.
Oh.
Ang weird. Naengganyo ako magbasa ng libro. First time, I read a book from cover to cover. Ganun
Wow.
klase. Yes po.
Parang naiintindihan ko yun. Siguro na-excite ka dun sa mga parts na totoong basis. Sabi kasi nila yung law daw is more of memorization and more of the power of the words.
Yes. It's more of play of the words.
Play of
Kasi
the
interpretation
words. Oh.
There's a saying na you put 10 lawyers in one room, there will there will be 10 interpretations of the law.
When you were young and you started to read law books, like you said, or
Yeah.
when you were in college?
Yes. When I was after college and then I decided to enter law school, then I was forced to read books because the first day I was shocked by the atmosphere because the professor kept on asking my classmates when that person was not able to answer, he gave that person 65.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And there's one instance
Anong
where
school to?
San Beda.
Okay.
Tapos, ba't naman ako nag-i-English? Anyway, yun.
Kasi may husband is here.
So nga pala, may isang beses, may kaklase ako, tinawag siya na tinawag, as in 3 beses siya atang tinawag. So 365 siya. Kinabukasan hindi siya bumalik.
Oh my God, grabe talaga pinagdadaanan yun.
Oo, grabe. So, yung first year, pang-terrorize talaga ng mga rookies na, yung para titingnan yung katatagan mo kung tatagal ka ba dito or hindi.
Yun eh, yung katatagan eh. But it's not so far from you trying to be an actor. May katatagan din yun.
Meron din.
So, ikaw, I've already been aware of you because character actor ka eh. You're
Yes,
komedyante, you can also play a lot of roles from mahirap, middle class, to mayaman,
Yes,
to a best friend, to a bully, everything. Wala kang tinatanggihan.
Wala.
What is the difference of katatagan, like you said, from being as an actor and being an aspiring lawyer? Pinagsabay mo pa. Nung nagsisimula kang maging artista, ano yung mga naramdaman mo na, hindi, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob?
Nung nag-talent po ako, hindi ko hiningi yung tulong ng nanay ko. Sa simula, initially, hindi ko hiningi tulong ng nanay ko na bigyan ako ng project, ganyan. Nag-extra ako. Nag-talent talaga.
Talaga?
Kaya yung pelikula ni Direk Jeffrey na extra, lahat ng ginawa doon, naramdaman ko yun. Yung eksenang, yung mga talents galing sa band o sa service ba.
Oo, service.
Pagdating sa location, punta sa, kala nila, tent nila to, ay, yung PA, ay, hindi pwede kayo, para sa artista yan.
Oh.
Tapos, so, may isa pang tent, ay, hindi, baka kay direct yan sa production yan, yung set up dyan yung ano, ay, saan po kami? Tapos ang ending nasa may damuhan.
Oo, na-experience ko rin yan actually.
Naramdaman ko.
Sa kalye, kung saan pwedeng umupo, sumandal.
Kung saan pwede may lilim kasi mainit.
Oo.
yun.
Actually, aabutan ka na lang ng, ay salamat, sundown na. Medyo pupreyos ko ng konti. So, kumbaga, it's not really comfortable.
Opo.
What made us say, yes to the next one, yes to the next one?
Nag-enjoy ako. May day job ako at that time.
Ano day job mo?
Nagbebenta ho ka ng laptop.
Oh, wait! Tapos ka na mag-college nito?
Oh, tapos na mo. Tapos
You
na.
already had a you already have a family?
Not yet. I was still boyfriend, girlfriend, my wife.
Okay.
We were still boyfriend, girlfriend at that time. Hindi pa po ako naglo-law school niya.
Okay.
So, I dabbled on being a sales associate for a computer company and being a talent. Yan.
Okay.
Mahilig talaga akong mag-mix ng mga odd things. Yan.
Oo. Habang sinusubukan mong pumasok sa showbiz, anong gusto mong ma-achieve? Gusto mo bang maging director, artista, producer, or gusto mo lahat? The magic of creating something. What is it with show business that really, making you, giving you that energy to go on?
Yung nagpo-portray ka ng ibang tao.
Yun.
Na-
You really
dun
are actor.
Namamangha ako doon na nagawa ko yun.
Ah.
Pag pinanood ko sa ay, ang galing.
Talaga?
Kasi hindi ako yun eh. Tapos ginawa ko yun. Tapos may nakukuha akong audience na na-appreciate yung ginawa ko. So natutuwa ako
Anong
doon.
particular role ito?
Yung Sana Dati ni Gerald Tarog. Yun yung first gay role ko.
Yes!
First
Ang
gay role.
galing. Ang galing mo doon.
Oo.
First gay role meaning marami pang sumunod kasi naging assistant.
Because of that role, nakita nila, ay, ang galing niya mag-portray ng bakla. So, ang dami ko nang naging gay. Sabi ng nanay, teka, baka ma-stereotype ka na. Medyo imunti tayo nakakatanggap ng gay role.
Okay, your first gay role was in Sana Dati.
Yes po.
Were you the wedding coordinator?
Yes.
Okay.
Of Lovie and,
Paolo.
yes, Trinidad.
you played gay role in a great gay role in Sana Dati, and then after that, gay role ulit sa
Gay role uli sa Jezebel. Gay role uli. Sabi ni Miss Yula Valdez, first day namin. Nag-eksena na kami. Sabi sa akin, "Psst, bakla ka ba?" Sabi sa hindi po. Akala ko bakla ka. Pati si Sir Albert Martinez, tinanong sa kanya, bakla ba yan? Hindi. Oh,
Okay.
ayun.
Next.
Next was, ano ba? Before pa pala ng Asana Dati, merong M3 yung kay Ai Agamulak. Nagbakla din ako doon. Sabi ni Sir Aga, bakla ba yan? Ang galing mo magbakla. Basta ang dami
Don't forget, nagbakla ka sa septic tank as my
assistant sa
director.
Septic Tank 3, yes.
And then, yung pinaka-recent mong bakla where you play the drag queen.
Here comes, yun ang gustong-gusto ko.
Here comes the groom.
Kasi lagi na lang bakla, homosexual. This time, it's a transgender.
Yes. So, what I'm trying to say is, you know, you can play roles, same type, but your attack can be very different from each, right?
Yes.
So, I understand that these things really excite you.
Yes, it does.
So, I think you will hold on to your career as an actor even after
Passing the bar or becoming a
passing.
lawyer, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But my question is,
Opo.
you only have to choose one. As an actor or as a lawyer? Just one. Please. Wag na yung, depende.
As an actor pa rin. Yun yung yun yung food for the soul ko eh. And it really pays well.
Yes.
Kung maglo-lawyer ako, ang baba na sweldo ko lang kasi entry level eh. So, yeah.
Okay. But now that you already have passed the bar,
Okay.
how happy are you? Are you feeling like, okay, I'm good, I'm done? Or I'm taking every day as you know, whatever comes my way. Di ba medyo medyo energetic ka na basically.
Yes.
When you were studying again for the bar, mas dumoble yung energy mo kasi nag-aaral ka, umaarte ka. We were doing Unmarry.
Yes.
I saw you reading and memorizing.
Yes.
And we're doing the scene and all. Ang dami mong energy. For I think maybe 2 years of preparation for this bar exam.
Yes po.
Now that it's done,
Mhm.
how are the days?
At sobrang chill. Naglalaro ako ng video games. Kasi nga, naumay ako kakaaral. So, pagkatapos nun, naglaro lang ako ng video games sa bahay. Tapos, for the first time, pinabayaan ako ng misis ko. Kasi lagi pag naglalaro ako, pinapagalitan niya ako. So, ngayon, sige, laro ka lang. Kasi nga, naiintindihan niya yung pressure nung puro basa lang ng libro. Tapos, nagtatrabaho pa. So, tapos parent pa ako, naghahatid sundo ng anak.
Dalawa yung anak niyo, di ba?
Yes, dalawang lalaki po. Yun.
Dalawang lalaki. So ngayon, gaano katagal kaya yung pagbibigyan ka ng asawa mo? Chill.
Siguro pagkatapos kong manumpa at makapag-sign ng role, kasi doon lang magiging totoong abogado po ang isang tao eh. After passing the bar, you're just a bar passer. But once you take the oath and sign the roles of attorney, that is when you become a real attorney now. That's when you can accept cases. Yeah.
Oh, I see. So are you going to accept cases already immediately, or you would go to this office and train for a while, or what?
Meron na kasi akong in-applyan po in the government. I can't say for now, pero in the process na yung papers. So baka kung magpa-practice, may tatanggap akong kaso, I have to ask permission from the head. Pwede naman, no? Tapos may kaklase na akong lumapit sa akin, pwede mo bang hawakan kaso ko, BP22, bouncing checks law. So madali-dali lang, sabi ko, pwede, pag-usapan natin.
Oh my God, totoo na to! Yeah. Attorney Willie, hindi ka na lang basta inaapi ni Attorney Jackie dahil hindi ka marunong mag-schedule. Oh my God, totoo na to. Now this coincidence, like I said, is beautiful, more beautiful. Not only because nasa mundo ka na ng pagiging lawyer, but also because it happened while we're filming, while we're promoting that you studied and you're playing the role. And so, when you passed, all the news, the major socials, really picked it up and everyone was celebrating kasi they're very familiar with you.
Yes po.
Not only as an actor, but you were playing attorney and then you really passed. So, how did you react to that?
Again,
What was your reaction?
shock. Pero at the same time, I had this feeling because at the start of the year, I accepted a role for a TV series which eventually became a lawyer for ABS-CBN. And then Unmarry happened. And then Direct Kit got me for a cameo role in Barboys 2. So sabi ko, for this whole year, parang sinasabi ng fate
Naka-shape, ano?
na this is for you.
Oo.
So sabi ko, wag niyo naman po ako paglaruan. Sana ibigay niyo po talaga. And binigay naman po ni Lord.
Oh, okay. Sige, while you were taking the exam, para lang, not everybody passed.
Yes, I know.
Hindi ko nga alam bakit ganun talaga ka-dramatic ang pagiging lawyer at going through all the process. Nag-aral ka man o hindi, how was it during the exam?
During the exam, I was trying to control my nerves because if you get jittered or get scared, makaka-apekto yun sa pag-iisip mo eh. So you have to control your nerves. You have to pag hindi mo alam yung sagot sa first question, you go on to the next until you find your rhythm. Pag nakuha mo, even if you get to the number 9 question, alam mo yung sagot doon mo doon na aandar yung rhythm mo eh. Dire-diretso na yan eh. Tapos babalikan mo yung question number 1 na hindi mo nasagutan. So, masasagutan mo na siya. Kasi, parang na-overwhelm ka.
Oh.
You only have 4 hours to answer the 20 questions.
Okay.
So, you need to budget your time. You need to control your nerves. You need to think talagang sharply para makuha mo yung sagot. And also, you have to check on your grammar and your spelling. Kasi may minus points kapag mali yung grammar at spelling.
I see. Nakatulog ka ba?
3 hours. The first day po, before the first bar exam, I was only able to sleep 3 hours. Because siguro nga kinakabahan ako. But yung mga sumunod na araw, nakatulog na ako ng mga 5-6 hours.
I see. Siyempre nagsimba ka.
Nagsimba po.
What was your prayer exactly?
My prayer, as always, during that time was, Lord, please, if it's your will, please help us, not only me, but everyone who took the bar.
By the way, mabilis ka bang natapos?
Opo. Kasi 4 hours, sinisigurado kong mabilis ako matapos. Tsaka maikli lang yung mga sagot ko po. Kasi sabi nila, tulungan mo yung examiner, yung magche-check ng paper mo, na i-check yung paper mo. Hindi mo siya papahirapan na magbasa ng mga mga sagot. So, maikli lang ho yung mga sagot ko. Very precise. Aside from that, may oras ako to check my grammar, to check my spelling.
Okay. Kasi kung mahaba at wala ka
ng time. So, I finished only in 3 hours bawat exam.
Maganda yung tip mo, ha? Be clear, be precise, so you will have more time to check on your grammar and your spelling.
Yes.
Kasi may minus points yun.
Yes po.
And also, magsimba ba? Magsimba. Okay, so not everyone passed, and that's the truth.
Yes po.
How do you communicate to them?
Hindi ko sila makausap. Siyempre, alam ko yung depression. Hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman nila at that time, at that moment. Pero alam ko yung paano yung malungkot. Kasi I've had my share of rejections.
Okay.
So, I know what to do. I know when to step in.
Okay.
Like for example, I have this classmate of mine. I didn't talk to her, but when she chatted me and congratulated me, I asked her, kamusta ka? Doon lang ako, Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. Ang hirap din kasi na parang nagse-celebrate ka and then you know that someone is
miserable.
Is not really in the same
Yes.
zone as you are. Okay, so now, ilan taon ka na ngayon?
42, turning 43 this May.
Okay. At 43, you are now an attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what are the big plans? Small plans, big plans, mid plans, or what do you think are will make you more, excited after this very big turn of events?
I want to really practice, as in litigate in court. I want to try.
Uh-huh.
Kasi parang feeling ko hindi ako magiging ganap na abogado kung hindi ko mararanasan yung humarap sa
Kung ano yung
sa
napapanood
hukom,
natin.
yes. Sa Anne Mary, ganun no. Parang hindi lang basta enacting ko lang. Gusto ko ma-experience na your objection, Your Honor. Misleading, something like that. So, gusto ko ma-experience yun. Kahit man lang 1 taon, 2 taon. Ayan. So, I plan to enter PAO, Public Attorney's Office.
Okay.
Para makatulong din sa kapwa ko.
Okay. So whatever it is that you're planning in the future, I want us to consider, people who are dreaming, who are striving, na lahat yun naramdaman mo, rejection,
Yes.
lahat, small wins, mid wins, high wins.
Opo.
Let's inspire others. How can you give, good words to people who are feeling so down in whatever endeavors they are into?
My dad told me this, rest if you must, but don't quit. It stuck to me na pagka nagkaroon ako ng mga setbacks, sasabihin ko, i-verbalize ko, ayoko na. Pero in my heart, alam kong hindi ako susuko. Nagpapahinga lang ako. And then, fight another day. Ganon. Yun, may sinabihan ako sa threads na ganon. Sabi ko, pahinga ka lang. Next month, labang ko ulit.
I love it. Congratulations, attorney.
Thank you, Atty.
No. The witness here said okay, meaning enough, just right, affirmative. There's no point of comparison with the word okay being inferior to what the witness said. Yeah and okay are the same. The witness never said that he is happier in the company of his mother than his father. Your Honor,